Golf launch monitors have evolved from niche training tools to essential gear for serious players and enthusiasts who want data-driven improvement and at-home simulation. The category spans compact mobile devices, multi-sensor radar or camera systems, and software-enabled simulations that pair with smartphones or tablets.
Product number 1. Rapsodo Mobile Launch Monitor for Golf Indoor. The MLM delivers pro-level launch metrics with GPS scatter mapping and video playback, packaged in a compact iOS-focused unit. It emphasizes real-time feedback, shot tracing, and home field versatility, pairing with iPhone or iPod for a mobile training experience. Prospective buyers should note its strong data set for entry into golf analytics without a heavy investment in simulator hardware. Deeper analysis. In practice, the MLM provides reliable shot distance, ball speed, club speed, launch angle, and GPS-based shot scatter, enabling effective practice sessions both indoors and outdoors. The built-in swing analyzer with video playback helps diagnose swing flaws, while the portability and 1-year warranty add peace of mind for casual to intermediate players. However, the reliance on Apple devices can limit Android users. Product number 2. Garmin Approach R10. The Approach R10 sits as a mid-range option with strong ecosystem integration via the Garmin Golf app, Bluetooth connectivity, and 10-hour battery life. It offers club head speed, ball speed, swing tempo, launch angle, launch direction, and shot dispersion charts, with optional virtual rounds and leaderboards when paired with a Garmin account. Prospective users benefit from seamless Garmin device integration and robust battery life for extended practice sessions. Deeper analysis. The R10 emphasizes a broader training narrative through app-driven insights and auto-recorded swing clips, which support reflective practice. Its IPX7 waterproof rating adds resilience for outdoor use, and the included tripod stand and phone mount reduce setup friction. However, it may not measure some advanced metrics like detailed spin rate or spin axis, depending on app configuration, and performance can hinge on a solid smartphone connection and app updates. Product number 3. Rapsodo MLM2 Pro Golf Launch Monitor. The MLM2 Pro represents the premium tier in the Rapsodo lineup, boasting 15 core metrics including spin rate and axis, and a stronger emphasis on advanced training and simulator capabilities. It supports indoor-outdoor use and pairs with mobile apps to deliver a more comprehensive swing analysis and virtual course experiences. Prospective buyers get a more exhaustive data set ideal for focused improvement and club fitting dialogues. Deeper analysis. In use, MLM2 Pro shines for players chasing deeper metrics such as spin axis and accurate spin rate, which are crucial for optimizing green approach and launch conditions. It also brought in simulation options and compatibility with leading golf apps, enabling more immersive practice. The trade-offs are higher cost, larger hardware footprint, and heavier weight, which reduces portability compared with other options. Product number 4. Swainora GX03 positions itself as a feature-rich portable option with environmental sensors, temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, 3D trajectory simulation, and multi-view 3D ball flight analysis. It emphasizes immersive training with 3D visualization and no subscription access, broadening accessibility across iOS and Android. Prospective buyers gain depth in data normalization to real-world conditions, which is valuable for players who train in varied environments. Deeper analysis. The built-in environmental sensors make shot data more realistic by compensating for atmospheric conditions, potentially improving repeatability when training across locations. The 3D trajectory visuals and attack angle integration provide meaningful insights for swing optimization. The primary caveats are a smaller user base and fewer published third-party app integrations compared with Rapsodo or Garmin, which can influence long-term support and content ecosystem. Product number 5. Voice Caddy Swing Caddy Portable Launch Monitor.
The Swing Caddy SC200 Plus budget option uses Doppler radar to measure key golf metrics and offers a speed-focused mode for practicing tempo without a ball. It emphasizes voice feedback, data storage, adjustable loft, and a compact form with a sub-$225 price point. Prospective buyers appreciate the value proposition for basic yardage training in home or outdoor spaces. Deeper analysis. In practice, the SC200 Plus delivers reliable data and practical features like adjustable loft and data recall, which helps segment practice across clubs. The Doppler radar approach provides real-time feedback and portable convenience, making it an attractive entry point for casual players or as a secondary device. However, it may lack some of the deeper spin metrics and advanced simulation capabilities found in higher-end models, and the single sensor approach can have limitations in extreme conditions or off-center hits.